That big orange sign down there that said Wood-Mizer.
Oh, I guess that would be a good indication.
Down this really weird little offshoot alley here in Portland, Oregon. Well, I am out here at the Wood-Mizer store in Portland, Oregon, picking up my mill and trailer kit. The guy's bringing the mill or trailer around one or the other at the moment. We'll get that thrown on the trailer. If you're picking up a mill down here in Portland, the store is a little hard to find, so make sure you follow your GPS really closely. It's at the end of this really weird road, but you get down in here and got a lot of really good people, a lot of good mills set up. This is an LT15 with a trailer package, and this is an 18-foot standard car trailer. Size-wise, it's just easier for a trailer this size if you're getting up these two different pieces together.
Good?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm running into a problem with the mill. So I've got the head and the bed assembly in there. That's about 1,600 to 1,700 pounds. My tractor can only lift around 800, and it's super heavy far away, which means my pallet forks don't really work well. So we're basically gonna drag it off of the trailer. We're going to begin assembling the bed sections. I'm going to get the wheel kit opened up. Yeah, so it goes on there just like under here, just like this. You're standing right in front of the camera.
Oh, well, I always do.
I know. So it should go right.
Well, this is going to wrap this one up. So I live up in the Kitsap Peninsula area up in western Washington. I ran down to Portland, Oregon to pick this up, which is about 5 hours south of me. I ordered this in November and I picked it up in March, so it was on back order for quite a while, but it was definitely worth the wait. I also don't want to misconstrue the time it takes to assemble the mill itself. It comes in a whole bunch of pieces, and it took me about 12-ish hours to assemble it. But I got it all put together, and then we took down a tree that my wife was worried about for quite a while, and we went ahead and milled it up. This was the very first log I ever put on the mill. I had no idea what I was doing, but I ended up with 2 really nice beams and a whole bunch of scrap. There will be many more videos to come about this wood mill and my projects that I intend to do with it. But for now, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got some kind of useful information out of this. But until next time, thanks for watching.